All right, guys, so I'm doing a walkthrough. I wanted to show you this so you kind of see in real time, how I'm able to 10x big venues like this. I don't want to just talk about it. I really want to walk you through the whole process. This place is crazy right here. If you have a big venue, stay tuned because I'm going to give you some amazing tips on how to fill this place up in no time. Look at that. So you guys can see. Insane. All right, so the first tip that I would give to any big venue like this that is trying to fill thousands of people at a time, marketing software, AI technology is going to help you a lot. Why? Because you need faster service. Income loves fast, speed. Speed loves income, income loves speed. So the best way to do that is by automating your customer service, right? So if you have a text to place orders or QR code to place orders, that makes things a lot faster for you and your service, right? So you just are getting on top of your customers a lot faster. The other thing is birthdays, right? So birthdays are a huge thing. If you've heard anything about what I've been saying, birthdays is a great way to get new clients in the door fast. And so having some sort of AI software technology to help with birthdays, to give shout outs, to bring out specials to people with birthdays, AI technology is a great way to do this. Again, take a look at this. Place hosts thousands and thousands of people. They're doing some repairs on it, and so I'm coming in to help them, fill this place up, man. The other thing that I would tell you, outside of AI software, marketing software, again, that also helps you to build your text and your email. So that's another thing I'll tell you about the software. As people text for service or shout outs, different things like that, now they're in your database and now they're more likely to interact with you too. So that's a really good one. The next one I could tell you is Google reviews, right? So a place of this size, you need Google reviews, and you need a lot of good, positive Google reviews. So one of the things that the marketing software that I have called Legacy Builder, one of the things that it does is you're able to automate that process, right? So you don't want a negative review, and so there's a way that you can, again, be smart in your marketing, right? And ask some prerequisite questions to see if your customers had a good time. And if they didn't, you want to make sure management gets that and addresses those concerns ASAP. If they had a good time, you want to make sure they go to Google and leave that review. So it's just a smart way to kind of filter, not in a bad way. You're not trying to good clubs, you want to address the negative. You just don't want it to go on Google without you first being able to address the issue. Because once it's on Google, it's a lot tougher to get that type of stuff off. And so I highly recommend, having using AI software, marketing software to automate your Google reviews. And you can do that on the spot, live on location at a place just like this, man. Again, let me show you. Insane. Thousands and thousands of people. The last thing I'll tell you, because I don't want this video to be too long and I can't give away all the secrets, not just yet, but the last thing I will say is automated. Again, I'm just talking about AI software, marketing software, the Legacy Builder software, because that's what I'm going to bring to this company and help them grow very quickly. And so, it's one of the things that can help you too, being able to automate bookings. And that's something where they go to the website, they put the reservation, to put down a deposit, automatically they get notifications leading up to their birthday or to their reservation, right? And so they'll get the emails, they get the text, hey, you have a reservation on day, and you go see the host Jason, who's going to take care of you. You can automate that whole process, right? And so it saves you from having to hire people to do stuff like that. It saves from having mistakes and it not getting done, because follow-up is a very big part of this game right here. And so I highly encourage that if you have a big venue like this, make sure that you have some sort of AI marketing software that you're using to help you do business faster, right? Speed and income go together like peanut butter and jelly. I can't tell you. And so now you should make your business faster, and it's one of the ways to do it. James from the Ivy League Hospitality Group And if you need anything, reach out to us, email me, and I look forward to talking to you guys. Thanks.